Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan, parent safety trainer. Last so many days I used to come here and give you the safety oriented training. First, I have given you the 10 videos on general safety awareness. Then I have given you another 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Again, I have given 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we have come to an industrial safety and awareness program. It is also a continuous education program I have planned, and I used to come here in every alternate days, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I request everybody, if you like this class, please share it and subscribe it. Okay, let us go to the subject. Last class what I have discussed you means what is an accident investigation. Whenever any industrial any accidents has happened, how it is getting investigated, what are the steps is there, why it is required, all these things I have explained. So that's why I am not going to take details in that last classes. So today is our new subject. What is the new subject? What is a PTW or work permit? The industrial safety, when we are talking now, work permit is one of the most important work tools also, we can say that, because for a safe work practices a work permit is a most essential thing. Why work permit is required? Mean there are so many areas, hazardous areas are there whenever any hot war or any confined space entry, such places, if people are working, their life is in a threatened way, because any small mistake can cause a very dangerous condition. In order to avoid such a condition, the work should be in a safe way, and also workplace is also in a safe way. A work permit system has been introduced by management, and it is necessary that everybody should follow the work permit system. So what are the work permit system? What are the areas? What are the types of work permit system? Let us understand. Normally there are six, seven, depending upon the. But what are the normal general type of work permits are there? One is hot work permit. What do you mean by hot work permit? The people, those who are doing hot work, cutting, welding, grinding, soldering, any type of ignition source, whenever we are using such type of work, a permission must be given, because there is a chances of a fire can occur very rapidly in such places if slight carelessness is there. That's why work permit is very much essential for doing any hot work job. And moreover, whoever may be doing the hot work, there must be a fire extinguisher, he must keep it there, and also he must know how to use a fire extinguisher. So this is the minimum requirement for an hot work permit. And no, and then another one is a confined space work permit. What do you mean by confined space? Confined space means this wherever the people are those working, their sufficient oxygen level is not there. As an example, in a vessel or in a tank or in a pit, such places, the normal oxygen level may be less there. Such places, this type of a special permit is required, that is confined space work permit. Those who are working there, we must ensure that sufficient ventilation must be there, and also oxygen should be given properly there, and with an external addition or any other requirement. So in order to ensure that people, those who are working in the confined space, they must be given a required permit system. Okay. Next one is a height work permit. Height, the people, those who are working in high-rise building or in any other type of a crane and other thing, overhead crane or any other type of places, there a special work permit must be given, and those who are working there, they must also use appropriate PPEs. So for that purpose, this other height work permit is there. Then another work permit is the cold work permit. Those who are doing this maintenance jobs and other thing in the cold work, adjusting motor, adjusting another thing, or in a level bearing adjusting or pressurized equipments, lines cleaning, such type of places. This hot or cold work permit is there. The next one is electrical work permit. Electrical work permit is the most important thing for those who are doing the electrical job, because many incidents has happened that without permit people start working there. When proper isolation is not there, people are getting shocked. No, and even death is happening there. Even after putting off the power supply, people allowed to work there, but because it has no discharge, charge power is in the equipment or in the cable, so people also getting effect. In order to avoid such a system, all the equipments and other thing, the electrical work permit must be there. Not only work permit, their lockout and tag out procedure must also be followed. What do you mean by lockout and tag out procedure? Suppose any people, those who want on a breaker or in one equipment like motor, transformer and other thing, the power must be kept off. The breaker or any other thing that must be kept off. Then a lock should be provided there, and also the tag should also be provided there. This is also required that this equipment has been given shutdown for working so on so job. So that lockout tag out procedure must be followed in those area. The electrical work. Then another one is excavation work permit. This is coming to the construction or civil job. This the people, those who are working for excavation purposes, digging something, or even some building under building is for building or other type of a construction work, like any bridge or any other type of high-rise building. Whenever digging is there, that a special permit must be given there. In addition to, there are those who are working in the chemical plant, that also a special work permit must be there. That's according to the company. The work permit system is slightly varying, and a standard format is there. Then who is giving the work permit? Normally the person, those who are authorized, that they are going to get the job done, or authorized person, they have to give the work permit to those who are doing the job, the chief of either foreman or in a contractor. They have to do the job. Then what is the role of safety officer? Safety officer has to inspect that the proper work permit has been given or not. Normal, some companies they are following the procedure, like 3 copies are there. One original copy that is given to the contractor or whoever may be doing the job. Second copy he has to give one to the safety officer also, that checking the system whether it is okay or not. And third copy the department itself is keeping with him. This is some companies are following, depending upon the company, different type of permit systems are there, but these are the area we have to be very careful for the work permit system. Then you may be asking one question, that is it permit is required for all type of job? It is not required for all type of job. The work permit is required for only some special type of a job, not a routine type. The job which is not coming as a routine, such type of job only that work permit is required. Like daily operation, daily checking and other things, such job it is not required. But special type of job for the, even for the contractors, for the workers, in doing, we have to give the work permit system. This is just for giving a more safety of the people, safety of the working area. This work permit system is required. So let us conclude the system. So there are 6 type of normally work permits there. One is a photo work permit, like cutting, building, etc. Doing one ignition source job is there, that is photo work permit. Then confined space entry, wherever the space there is not sufficient, air is not there or oxygen is not there, such places confined work permit. Then height work permits, those who are working in the height, a special permit must be given. And old work permit, that adjusting machine maintenance and other things, special opening, So their cold work permit is there. Electrical work, those who are working in the electrical line, or not only in the electrical line, or concerned with the electric motor and motor pump and other thing, this electrical work permit is there, and lockout target procedure also is to be adopted. That is also we can adopt in the cold work also. Then excavation work permit. Then another one is a chemical work permit. There are this is the I just given some idea only. Yeah, I hope that you got some knowledge also in the work permit system. And if you like the class, please share it. And for the time being, I'm just stopping. I will be coming with another video for the next class. Okay, wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy, and safe day. Thank you to everybody. Thanks.